Alrighty. Let's get going. First off, what is going on here? What? There we go. Generate starter game, manual setup. I should probably add a little subscript. Actually, I don't think I need to explain that. Right. Styling. Okay. Yep. So for this, probably just do flex, flex, wrap, and I guess center is good. Let's do gap. Let's do buttons at 100% with margin. Actually, yeah, I'll get rid of the gap and do a natural margin. Womp. Pretty close. Let's actually do a little bit of a bottom margin. We'll do H3, margin bottom 0. I should clean it up a little bit. I'm not sold on the 100% width. Let me see here. Didn't I? Oh. H3 is before that. There we go. Yeah, I'm not liking the buttons yet. Let's do max width. Better. Let's go a little bigger. And I think I did the wrong thing. Let's do soup, maybe? Nah, it doesn't matter. Actually, there we go. What? That was small, not small. I guess it's smaller. This looks kind of crowded. Let me update the margin bottom. Just need it presentable. And actually, I'm going to get rid of the margin top. Better. Yeah, that's good enough. Generator start a game. All right, cool. So let's make a cursor pointer. Great. I'm gonna throw this bug away. There we go. All right, so we have this. I want to test the generation logic. Looks like that's not working. So I'm not getting this to the setup. So I might need to do this myself. Get plugin dir. Is it get? I think it's just plugin dir. Yeah. Let's see what that looks like. Did it work? Nope. I forget. Just gonna look at my older code. Plugin dir URL. All right. There we go. Okay. That should do it. Perfect. Now let's add the new loading. To the assets. All right. Oh, let me rename it. Orbem loading. All right, is it working? Oh, templates. That's wrong. All right. Yeah. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Cool. Oh, I think the height might be rough, but we'll see how small it is. All right. All right, so now this should actually generate an area, I think. No, I need to double check actually. Generate start a game. Let's go to the setup. And if it's a generate, right here? No. Yeah, it's gonna go here. If it's that, blah, blah, blah. I'll set this. We'll run the restaurant. And the restaurant's gonna be handled in the menu class. And let's get the restaurant. And here. So, valid generate is the type. Then we're gonna generate an explore area, the title. And then I also added a feature image. Yeah, feature image. Cool. Which I need to get from here, which is this. So that's going to be, I can use this now. This plugin, dir URL. Yeah. What was that? Rovenar food. That's weird. Rovenar forest. Okay. So we need the title, the feature image, and then I need to set the metadata, which is going to be under meta. Which is going to be explore area. Wait, no, I don't need to set the area. I'm making the area. So it's just, I need to set them. Oh, I don't need to set the feature image. What am I talking about? I need to set the map SVG. I don't remember what it is. Hold, please. Shit. What did I? Oh, yeah, duh. Hold, please. Okay, I need to set this, which is just explore map. Easy peasy. Oh, and the start top, which is start top and start left. Got it. Which I'll need to actually get the real coordinates in a second, because I got rid of my game. Actually, I guess I can. I guess I could. No, I want to change it. Okay, never mind. Talking to myself. Do. So now this is the feature image. This is what I need here. This is the map. Cool. That's the map. It'll upload that. Oh. Shoot. I need to upload this. Yeah, so feature image isn't the only thing I need to sideload. Shoot. Actually, do I need to? This should be the URL. I wonder if it has access to the front end to theme. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, so that's good. And then explore, start, top. We'll just start with 2000 for now. And explore, start left. Cool. I just want to see that this actually works. Okay. Now this is the area. Excuse me. Yeah, we don't need to do that. So yeah, we'll just do it. Whoops. We'll do the type. I don't care what the type is. I just need to put true. Yeah, because that's what am I looking for in the setup? I'm looking for choose setup, which will get me no, that's inside the menu. Where's the menu? Oh, game options page. Yeah, here's setup. Okay, so this is game options page. Cool. Game option. Okay, here we go. So I need to get oh, finished. Yeah. I need to get this. Choose setup. So I just have to make it up. Equals get option explore setup false, and then during the menu class restaurant I need to set that to true. What did I just call it? Explore setup. Setup true. All right, so that'll say good to go. Don't need to show it anymore. Okay. All right. Now that that's set up, we have those things. It should work. Yeah, this should work. And I'm not doing a feature image, so I don't need to do that. I will need to do that for the character and yeah, the character and the item. All right, let's just see if this works. Let's go ahead and jump into the wizard and see if the area gets created or if it explodes. Wait, what? Generate starter game. It's not working. Why not? Generate starter game. Get element by ID. Oh, I didn't add a click event for that yet. Alright. But why is it not finding it? Is this step not have the buttons in it? I thought it did. Yeah. Game. Generate starter game. It's right here inside this step. Tutorial step, data step 0. Get element by ID. Is that not right? The fuck? Tutorial step, data step 1. Tutorial step, data step, 0. And then we're looking for this ID. Should be in there. Ooh, wait. Wait, let me do this. Yeah. Still not in there. You don't like it. Is this not finding it? Tutorial step, data step. Query selector. Yeah, that should be good. Huh. Okay. I guess we won't fuck around with that. Sometimes I don't get why this doesn't work. I'd like to use it. It's supposed to be more performant, but whatever. Forget it. Though if this doesn't work, then it's probably because of the element. No, that worked. Okay, let's try it now. Check the... Let's check the calls and go. Hey, look, the little, the tiny loading screen worked. I hate it. Okay, what happened here? Handler is invalid. Why? One more V1, choose setup type. What happened? The handler for the route is invalid. Handler? The fuck you talking about? Looks like I don't have the right path. REST URL. Is that not the right REST URL? Maybe it doesn't like the local host. It's possible. Everything else is working though, isn't it? No, yeah, this is right. V1. Generate. Oh, no. Choose setup type. Alright, maybe I'm not registering it right. Let me see here. I got the restaurant registered. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Should be right. This, choose setup type. Oh, whoops. I misspelled the function. Maybe that's why. Try it again. Hey, it worked. Cool. Now, did it work? Let's see if it actually created the area. I was not paying attention to this. But it looks like this is correct. Generate. Success. All right. Let's check it out. Hey, look at that. We have our generated area with this. Oh, path is wrong. All right. Well, let's change that. Obviously, that's wrong. I'll delete it and retry. Hey, that's great. Step 1. Yeah. So this obviously needs this. Cool. Thanks. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this. Trash. Okay. Does not seem like it updated though, the option. Otherwise this wouldn't show up again. Yeah, let's try again. Okay, so this is working now, but it does not appear that the image is showing. Though this path is correct. Yeah, it was my suspicion that maybe I can't view. Oh, starter game. I forgot to add that. Hold on, that might actually work still. Yeah, because it's not in here. It's in images starter game. There we go. All right, we're back in business. I just forgot the path. Let's try again. All right. Yay! So that's good. Those are set. So technically, this area is good to go. And that's fantastic. Though, this was the easy part. We got to create a handful of other ones now. So we got that. Yeah. So that's the area. Let's try the main character. Okay. This is going to be an explore character. Title, Trek. Start a game. Yeah, now the meta is going to change. I am going to need a No, I'm not. I'm not doing any cutscenes. Okay, so we don't need a feature image. We do need a bunch of meta, though. So let's see what we need. I'll need to set all the images. So let's go character. Okay, so we're going to need to set the area. So that's explore area. And this is going to use the Ravanar forest. And then we'll need height and width, which I believe I have. Explore height, which is 185. Explore width is 114. Okay, what else do I need? I believe that's it. Now it's just the images. And then it should work. All right, let's try it. So what are the images path? I'm glad I can use the theme or the plugin path, and I don't have to actually upload it to the media library. That saves me some issues. So it's going to be a dish. So static, static up, blah, 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 blah. So we got this, which is going to be same path, different image, which is going to be trek down, or is it just trek static? Yeah, trek static. All right. And we'll do these a billion times. Okay. We have static. We have static up, which is check static up. We have static left. Static left. We have static right. Static right. And then we have, I think that's all the statics that we have. So now we have up, which we will use trek walk. Oh, up. Walking, not GIF. And then left. Left, walking, not GIF. And we have right. Right, walking. Oh, idiot. Right, walking, not GIF. And we have down. And that's down, walk, dot GIF. Why did I put walking on all of these? It's walk, walk, walk. There we go. Okay. Pop, 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 pop. And then I guess I'll have to do the punches too. What are the punching? It's up, down, left, right. Up, punch. I forget exactly the format. Up, punch. Okay. Down, punch, left, punch, right, punch. Got it. So let's just copy this. No. It's going to be the same images as this. So I'm going to copy these. Now we'll just do this. Cool. And this is going to be down punch, up punch, left punch, right punch. All right. So now technically those should all be filled out properly. Oh, I need, yeah, title is trek. What else do we need? I think that's it. Do voice, but when yeah, there's no cutscene. I don't need to do voice. All right, well, let's give that a shot. Let's see if the character is getting created too now. Which I'll fix that later. All right, boop. Now let's go here. Let's delete you. Go here. No characters. Okay. Generate starter game. You know what? Let's fix the loading size too. It's kind of ridiculous. Let's do height. I don't know. 100. Okay. There we go. That's better. Though it loads so quickly locally. I don't even know if you need it. All right, let's check. We have our area. Good to go. All the required fields are done. And we have a character. all our required fields. Looks like our images didn't set. I wonder why. What am I doing wrong here? Explore. Character images. And we know they're the correct names. Everything else worked. Huh. I wonder why it's not working. Okay. Okay. I know why. I'm saving it wrong. I don't think that's not considered the meta key. The meta key is part of an array. So I actually have to change that. So let's go back here. So it's technically not that. It's technically an array. So this, equals this array, which is all of these. With the name, static, then that. Right. Okay. Let's fix this real quick. And let's get rid of all of these real quick. So it's technically one meta value that has an array. Okay, this should work. Right, this should work. All right, let's try this again. Create a new page for me. That's next. Okay. Trash. Trash. Okay, here we go. I do like this. Does this work? Yeah, it does. Cool. But technically, if you go back, it asks you how you want to do it again. Then you create this. Yeah, no, this is good. It's working. Okay. Generate. All right. The only thing is, what I should do is refresh. I shouldn't do this, so because I should just do this instead. Okay, let's check the area. We already know that's working. Looks great. Let's do the character trick. Did it save our images properly? It did. So we have static. We have up, left, right. Oh, static down didn't. I forgot there was a static down, I guess. Hold on. Is there a static down? I thought static was static down. I guess they're different. I guess static is like when you first join the game. You could have a separate, like, just chillin' mode where you're just kind of like not doing anything. And then down could be different. Maybe you're looking down instead. All right, well, we know it works though, right? Yeah, we have up, down, left, right, walking, up punch, down punch, left punch, right punch. Okay. Fucking solid. Great. And let's change the setup logic so when it is finished, right here, I don't want to do any of this. I want to actually refresh the page. So window location reload. Perfect. Yeah, I don't care about that. I don't care about any of this, actually. I just want to reload once it's done loading. Actually, we should give a little message. Yeah. So we'll get rid of the loader. We'll give the little message, and then we'll reload the page. And actually, let's give it 2 seconds. Yeah, let's try this again. Go boop, bop, boop, bop, boop. What? Okay, so now generate. It didn't say your game was done though. Well, the refresh worked. How come the load isn't going away? Game generating. Oh, loader. Is it loading or loader? What is it? Oh, it is load. Huh. It's weird. Is that how I style it though? Oh, see, I made it loader. Is it loader in here? No, it's load. Okay, so I got the styling wrong. There we go. Now it should work. Right? Generate load. Yeah, load. That's why it wasn't going away. Weird. All right, let's give this another shot. Let's remove you. And we'll just check if the... Why is this happening? Oh. Yeah. If you just create a character without an area, it doesn't know what to do. Okay. Here we go. Generate. Okay, well. The loading was so quick it didn't even need the loader. I guess on another computer it might be slower. Okay, this worked well though. Let's just check that we got all the images now that I fixed. Yep, we got them all. Cool. So this is the generic what you need to do to get started. Fantabulous. Okay, we have more to do though. What's next? We have the character, we have the map. Let's actually set up a quick page. Well, let's do the create new page for me functionality. That way I can test it and get the right coordinates. Well, first off, this needs to be styled better. Where's the create new page for me? H3. That should be good now. Better. How come the button? Yeah, maybe I should just do it for all buttons, not just a specific tutorial button thing. I'll keep all the styles the same. Where is it? Game generating, yeah. Where's all the styles I just did? Button. Oh. Okay. So maybe we should do buttons. Separate spacing. H3s have good spacing. Okay, cool. This should work now. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now create new page. I need to actually generate a page. So I think I can use the same generate game code though, because it just generates a new post. And the post type can be a page. And I don't want to have any content, so let's see what we got here. Generate. Why am I adding the click event? Page generate. Whew. Yeah, I'm not even fucking with it anymore. Okay. Do the same thing. This time it's going to be page. That way I can use the same rest route. And once this is done, I want to go straight to the page. So I'm actually going to use the response data, which I'm not using so far. Shit. All right. So I'm going to have to do that. Where's the fetch example? We got that. Here we go. Data. Okay, well, I just need some data. Yeah, okay. So we'll do this, but then we'll do this if it's we'll actually use the data. Which I need to return the response. Wait, what is it? Return the response.json. Okay. Right, so this will only return if it's none of these. So if page equals type, then we'll return. There we go. Otherwise, we shall not. Let's do that. That makes more sense to me. Okay. So now the data itself is going to be response data equals data.data. Cool. And the data I need in question is going to be, I don't know, I gotta look how to do that. So when I generate it, now I'll actually have to send it if it's a type. Yeah, see, explore setup. True. And then setup here, I'm looking at choose setup. I already did this. Explore setup. Whatever. Okay. I'll fix it later. So now in this rest route, I'm going to, if page equals type, we're going to generate a page instead. And generate starter page. And then I need to set the global option. Actually, I need to set all the global options in this. So I think what I'll do... No. So actually, when it generates the character, I also want to update the global option. Oh, the starting area needs to be, so explore first area will be the value of the slug. So let's do that. Update option with Robanar Forest. And then for the character, we will update option. Let's explore main character. Yeah. Explore main character. And that's going to be Trek. And then, so I'll be good for those two. And then for page, I'll do the starting page, which is explore starting page. Oh, game page, even better. Perfect. Yeah, we'll do update option, and the starting page will be. No, I was gonna do like my first Orbem, or my Orbem Studio game. Cool. Which will be the page. So for the page, it's going to be type page. Title is going to be my, god damn it, my Orbem Studio game. And no meta, no nothing, just a page. And then I set it as the page. So title, content, publish, meta, it's nothing, feature image, no. Okay, cool. This is perfect. I think. This might explode because it's made for posts, not pages. Let me double check. Pretty sure insert post can be a page too. Yeah. Okay. So now we know that clicking that page. Oh yeah, I wanted to return the page URL, which I think I can do easily. Because if this is the case, then what I want to do. Oh, yeah, I also need to update this. No, that's already updated. This is separate. So then this is going to be data. And I'm going to send the, I think it's like home URL. My Orbem Studio game. You got me, IDE. I think that's it. And then I'll use it and send the person there. Window.location.href response data. Just the data that comes out. It should work. Oh, I guess I don't need to do that. Yeah, I feel you, buddy. All right. Technically, this should work. Let's see. All right. Let's see if this creates the page, and then sends me there. No, it exploded. Actually, did it even send? I don't even think it's working. What you doing? Did my click event not go? Up, page generate, which is generate game page, query selector. Page, click, choose setup type. No, I don't know. Let's do this again. Maybe I didn't compile it. That happens. And go. What the fuck? Why is this not clicking? Generate game page. Why is my click event not clicking? Generate game page. Spell it wrong? Wait. Doc. Oh, maybe it's because the starter tutorial is not there anymore. Ah, I need to make this separate. There we go. This needs to be separate. Okay. Now let's try. It'll work. Alright, this should now send me to my game page. Boop. Yay. Well, you know what the problem is? Probably my permalinks. Hold on. Yeah. I need to really figure out how to get that to set automatically. Alright, well it worked. It selected the right thing. My Orbem studio game. Yay! Cool. All right, I think we're good. At least for the general shit. Now I want to see what the game looks like on it. So let's do that. Let's, we deleted the page. Let's delete the area. And let's go through the whole generate flow now. Oh, it actually saved and is not doing anything now. That's great. Let's try again. Oh no. Okay, hold on. It's because the database has the global options. Let's actually go to our deactivate function. Do we have a deactivate? Deactivate. We do not have a deactivate. Oh wait. No, we don't have a deactivate function in the plugin. That could be a problem. We might need to add one. Damn it. I don't want to delete all the components on deactivate, but I do want to delete the global options at least. So let's find activate. Deactivation hook. Deactivate. And let's create one real quick. Trigger. Remove all global options. On deactivate. Cool. So we need to do that. Delete option. Mostly let's go to the menu real quick. Where are all the menu options? I know I have an array of them. I haven't tried the feature image upload yet, so I'm interested if that'll work. Here we go. Here's the array that I need to delete. Oh no, two. Right. How do I make this faster? Maybe I could do this. do some bulk deleting for a bit. Oh, there's so many. You know what? I can just get all options that have explore underscore in them. Like, that's not the worst thing in the world. But this is more accurate to have the actual stiff. Or maybe I can just get this. Get the options separately. It's protected, but I think I can still get it within the same namespace. So that is wait, it's protected. All right. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I guess I could turn it into a protected static function. Right? That way I can get it easier. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's just make it public. I need you. Okay. So now we have the options. We can just loop through the keys. Options as option, delete, option, option. Cool. Let's see if that works. We shall find out. Pop. 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 Yay, it worked. All right, cool. A little extra. This is gonna be a nice update to the plugin. Okay, so now let's generate the starter game. The game is ready. Now, should we choose a page or should we generate one? Pop. There we go. New game. There we go. This is all just generated on the fly. Fantastic. Now, what I want to do is start the user like here. One of my issues is I need like some game mechanic. But I don't want to create a bunch of walls either, which is kind of annoying. So, I mean, if I had my old SVG map logic, I could do that pretty easily. But I got rid of that. Because for most use cases, it doesn't work. Or it's, you know, not useful. So I need to find a spot in this map where I have some pretty good visibility in the center. Something like here. Because if it starts me here, I want to just kind of like block off my character until he hits. Like I want a key right here. Yeah. So we'll have the key and then we'll have the gate. Or do I put the gate where I put it in the actual game when I made it? Which was right here. So I can have the key here. Yeah, I think I'll just do that. So starting right here. So let's update my starting meta to these coordinates. Here we go. Here's top. And where's left? Left. Yeah, it wasn't far off. All right. So that is now going to start the character in the right spot. And I need to create a bunch of walls. So I'm going to need to create an array of walls. And I'm going to have to call this a bunch of times. I'm hoping I can make the walls very like easy. Since this is curved, I can just cut it off like dumbly. So let's see. Like maybe I can just make 4 walls, put you in a big rectangle. And then this will be the gate to get through. But then I'm going to need an explainer when you get through the gate to trigger a pop-up that says you win. I don't want to create missions or anything either, just a key that unlocks. You don't even need the key though then. Because I'll need missions if I'm going to block you from getting out of the gate. Shoot. Whatever. Let's start with the walls and see where it gets us. So I want a very just one wall all the way. So very big wall, something like this. All the way where I start, which I'm going to start like right here. Let's start here. That way I can make the wall go all the way over there. Is that good? I think I can go a little bit more. Yeah, something like that. Wall. Now let's do the next wall. It can be like wall. And then the next wall can be over here. Okay. And then we'll have the gate right here. That lets you out. And that's it. Okay, so it's only 3 walls. Not bad. Okay, let's get the definitions for the walls. I guess I can actually go into the game engine and do that. Okay, let's go to items. Uh-oh. I meant walls. I would have been dumb. Okay, so explore wall. We need to create 3 of those into setup. So let's do that. And this is just all for the game now. So I'm gonna do this. It's a big update. This is generate the walls. Explore wall. And this is gonna be wall 1. I don't usually have to name them because they auto-generate. Area. So we need explore area. It's going to be Ravenar Forest. Ravenar Forest. And then we need top, left, height, and width. Are those actually... I think these might be part of an array. No. Top. Yeah, top, left, height, width. Okay. For top, left. So let's get the top and left for the first wall. Cool. And on the left. All right. And then we need the height and width. Which this one is 733 by 104. 733 by 104. Okay. That's it. That's what a wall is. It's a top, left, height, and width. That's all it is, and an area. So I just need to create the other ones now. Number 2. Just basically copy and paste this. Wall 2. New position. Cool. New position. Cool. Height and width. 58 by 7. So 58 height. Cool. And the last wall. Wall 3. And this is going to be top, left, and the height and width 802 by 70. So 802 by 70. All right, great. So now that we have all of these made, we should be walled in and starting in the right spot, which will be great. Great. We have all our walls now. Next thing to do is add the new item, which I will do right now so I can see what the coordinates and shit are going to be. So this is going to be the gate, Ravenar. This is going to have the only uploaded feature image. Which is too bad. I guess maybe I shouldn't have used feature images for this stuff. I really didn't have to. I could have just had fields with URLs. I just wanted to use WordPressy stuff, I guess. Wow, wow, wow. Where are my assets? Okay, assets, SRC, images. Where's my starter? What? Where am I? my shit? Images starter game. This is in app public web content plugin. Oh. Wait, what? Where am I? I'm in Orbem Studio, which is in my local? I guess so. That's true. Maybe I'm tripping. What was I doing? Yeah, let's upload local sites. Orbem order. There we go. Orbem Studio. Assets. Yeah. Yeah. Am I updating the correct? Yeah, no, I am. Okay. Oh, I'm tripping so hard. Okay, so we got the gate. Boom. And then we need to figure out the positioning, so let's go to our game. Wait, where is our game? So it's gonna go right here. Something like here. And we'll move it and get it perfect. I could go back and look at my video to see the stats I used. Actually, maybe we should do that. Because I did have the height and width and stuff perfect. Let's go to my 30-minute build video. Yeah, this one. Come on. No. Wait. No. Where's my... Oh, I ended up not doing the gate. God damn, I forgot. I'm being dumb. Never mind. I ended up not doing the gate. Okay. Yeah, so we'll just have to guess. That's fine. Height and width, I don't even remember. What is it? 949, 555. I know that's wrong. 949. And then we do have an override image interacted. And this I'm actually going to fix with this update as well. Because I want this to be a collectible, not a breakable. I want you to just walk through it. And I want this to not disappear and be passable when you go through it. So we'll fix that right now as well. Okay, gate. Where's my gate? Where did I put it? Where'd the gate go? Uh-oh. I don't know. What did I do? Oh, there it is. Weird. Hey, oh, it disappeared because I touched it. Oh, got it. All right, that's gonna be a problem. So I need to start over here. And then I'll put on God mode so I don't touch it. God mode, no touch. Okay. Now we can fuck with it. So, size-wise, I think it's buco too big. So let's figure out the right size, which I think I'm gonna go for like 600. See where that takes us. Could be something like that. That would still block us from going through until we hit it. But that would make me have to make bigger walls. Or more walls. So maybe I want it bigger. Let's try 700. 800. Actually, now that I think about it, maybe 9 wasn't that bad. This will work though. Just when it's open, I just want these to, you know, be on either side of the door. But maybe that's unrealistic. Also, it looks like my walls are gonna fuck up where I want to put the key. So I might need to move these out and make a couple more walls. So let's do that. Okay. And then I think this size is okay, actually. Could probably get away with 900. Kind of a big bore. Intrinsic is 949. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with that. So 900 by 555. No, that's wrong. Oh wait, what the fuck? Let's see when it stops moving. So 527 by 900. By 900. All right. And the current position's pretty good, I guess. Could be better, but that'll work. Okay. I think this is doable. Now I'm gonna need to fix the logic right now for collectibles. Right now I'm stuck in this map here. Oh, what the fuck? Why are you over here? What happened? All right. Oh yeah, we're gonna need 2 more walls. Actually, let me turn God mode on so I don't make it go. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna need 2 more walls. I'm thinking right here and right here is fair. So let's create 2 more walls in programming for the creator. All right, so I'm gonna need 1 more here. Where is it? Generate wall 4 and wall 5. 4, 5. Who cares about order? This one's going to be that. Oh, nice. This one's going to be left. And the size, 418 by 122. 418, 122. All right. Number 4 is going to be this. And this. And the size, 434, 106, 434. Okay, so now we have all the walls we need. Now we need to create that item, that area. And then we'll fix the whole collectible disappearing act. All right, so this is going to be an explore item. Wait, explore point. Yeah, explore point. We're gonna call it gate. We're gonna call you gate. Going into forest. Use your parameters. What? And size is going to be 527 by 900. Okay. And we need to give you some meta interacted. And the interacted is actually going to come from that. Oh yeah, we're also going to need explore interacted, which is going to come from this shit. All right, same path. Which, is this explore interacted? Did I get that right? Oh shit. It's explore interacted, yes. And then passable, yes. Explore passable is yes. So that's good. Explore passable equals yes. And we need disappear no. Let's explore disappear. Yeah. Okay, explore disappear no. Awesome. So now we have our meta. This is wrong though, so this needs to be gate open. Awesome. And now we need to add the feature image and sideload that and make that work. Hopefully this works. I have not tested it yet. Featured image. And we're going to do this. Hopefully get this working. And it's just going to be gate, right? Yeah. Okay. And let's just make sure that the feature image part looks like it's going to work. Yeah. All right. This is the upload. I just don't know about these. TBH. But we'll see. So we have the walls, we have the gate. All we need now is the key, which is another explore point. And it's another featured image. key. And it's just going to be, there's no interacted. And it will disappear, yes. And this doesn't need to be added. Actually, technically, none of these need to be added. I'll need to add a key for the featured image. And where are we going to put it? We're going to put it... put the key here. I think I already remember the actual dimensions. I think it's like 100 by 40, something like that. All right, technically this should work. Collectible. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, I need interaction type. Did I add that here? No, I didn't. Interaction type. Where's that? Interaction type right here. I forgot it. And that'll be collectible for both. God damn it. I really hate copying nothing. It's the stupidest thing that IDEs let you do. I don't think I'm going to finish this tonight 100%. I want to get it pretty close, at least, for launch tomorrow. Let's at least see if this works. And then we'll see if maybe we can knock out a fix. Okay. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to delete the items. I'm going to delete area. I'm going to delete the character. And I'm going to delete all the walls. And I'm going to see if all of this gets created on the fly correctly. Here we go. Oh, I need to delete the page too. Yeah. Okay. You're gone. You're gone. Okay. Will the feature image upload properly? I do not know. And it looks like it's not. Bummer. All right. So let's see what the issue was. Yeah, it seems like some of the stuff got created. I'm guessing when it got to the feature image stuff, though, it died. So let's do that. Did we get? Okay, we did get this. No feature image, though. Yeah, that's where it probably died. It tried. Character got created. All right. So I want to see the actual. I think it's the absolute path. I just feel like that's not right. You know, let's just assume that that's the problem. So, yeah, I think it's this require once bullshit. Yeah, this is not real. So we can do get template directory, maybe template directory. I think it's the theme though. Get Or it's just admin URL. Isn't that what it is? Let me look it up real quick. Admin URL. Yeah, admin URL gives you get admin URL. Admin URL. Yeah, no, that's URL. I need. I wonder if I can use URL. Oh no, because it has to be. If it's required, it has to be path. Admin path? No, it doesn't exist. Admin path. I don't want the admin URL. I want the direct path. Oh, maybe it's right. Okay. Well then, maybe I'm wrong. What is the problem? There has been a critical error. It's not very helpful, dude. All right, now we gotta look. I'm developing, well, I'm working on my game engine. I have developed a game, yes. Hey, by the way, thanks for jumping on. Yeah, so Orbem Studio. This is a WordPress-based game engine that you can build no-code RPG games on your WordPress website. So I'm working on just some quality of life updates to the wizard, giving people the ability to like generate a game right away, so that they can test it out. But yeah, having a little issue with the side loading of the feature image. I wonder if I really need. I don't know. Let's see if it works now. It might have been screwed up because I had that function in there. Let's try again. Let's delete the items. The area. The character. And I don't think any of the walls got created. Oh, it created the walls too. Good for me. I think it's just having issues with the feature image upload. And let's try again. Go. No. Same issue. Nothing useful. Okay. It's definitely something to do with this not working. But what am I providing? Image. Feature image. Post ID. So that's correct. Yeah, we got the featured image. It's just a string. And it's taking it. If it's a string, it's downloading the file. Wish I could get some better error messages so I know whether it's breaking. I'm gonna check what I'm getting here. On the off chance this really is the bad part. And then let's also do that. Do that. And let's see what's happening. Alright. Areas. Let's go items. Characters. And let's delete the walls. And I think that's it. Yeah. Alright, one more time. What are we getting? Wait, what? Okay. I obviously broke it somehow. Wait, what happened? Why did it go through? I must have been stopping it with my var dumps. Yeah, so then it definitely is this part that's breaking it. Shoot. Wait, what? I hit zoom. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna need to do a little X debugging. I'm not gonna go very heavy into this. I do not want to stay on that late. So let's give it one shot, and if this doesn't give me what I need, I'm gonna bounce. Okay. Oh shit, I shouldn't have turned it on yet. Hold on. Let me delete this shit first. Delete. 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 And delete. Okay, let's try again. Now we'll turn you on. What turned you on? Okay. Here we go. Go. Let's see what we got. Hey, Xdebug, what's going on? Oh shit, I don't think I have Xdebug on this. Damn. I'd have to do this through my local. That's an issue. Hold on, let's see if we can do that real quick. No. I have a test site running. Orbem Studio. Okay, let's update. Oh, this isn't even connected to my local though. I'm screwed. Alright, I guess I'm done. This is obviously not going to be solved so easily. Yeah, we got pretty far. Got a lot of the wizard done. It is creating all the things I need. Collect the key, open the gate. I still am gonna have to figure out how to block the gate without a mission. Maybe I'll add a mission. I guess it's not the end of the world. One mission with blockades. I mean, I already added so many other things. All right. Thanks, everybody, for jumping on. Appreciate you giving me a quick comment. I know it's been a slow day, but we got work to do. So catch you in the next one.